Where are we, D?
We are in the kitchen, my favorite place in the damn house.
What are we doing?
You're gonna keep up your promise. If this man promised me he's gonna make some good ass chicken.
Yeah, I'm gonna show you guys
What this man is gonna put in my chicken.
pretty much. Let's do
My
this.
chicken. It's gonna be my chicken.
We're gonna start obviously with the chicken. We got some fine oats as a coating. Some good carbs, some good complex carbs right there. For the coating to stick on the chicken, we are using coconut oil. Really good oil, really good on the fats.
Back to the roots, back to the island.
Good stuff, indeed. We're on that spinach level, we gotta get our greens in.
That Popeyes.
And our spices are gonna be black pepper, some garlic powder, oregano, some salt, some lemon juice. And so for our last spice, we got the Portuguese Peri powder. Goddamn, that stuff is good, and that's gonna make our chicken something special. Our last ingredient is the cottage cheese.
Cottage cheese.
4 grams of fat per 100 grams. How many protein grams does it have, Dean?
Let me look. That's 13 grams of protein, 100 grams, man. That's some good ass macros.
Alright, let's start with the stuffing. Alright, to prepare this chicken, we're gonna make 2 or 3 big cuts. Try not to pierce the chicken all the way, because it's just a waste of spinach and a waste of cheese. So like this, it's gonna go a bit deeper. And that's what you do with all of the chicken. So this is the whole idea. We've got 3 nice big gaps to fill in. Gonna do now is fill that chicken. I want to say something.
You want to say something else, man? Keep it PG-13.
But we're basically gonna fill in the chicken. Putting some oil all over the place. We ain't double dipping. Alright. Now we're gonna add good stuff into chicken. Drop some of the oats right here, some of the spices, so that we give the low part of the chicken same nice treatment.
You don't discriminate.
Exactly. Respect the booties.
No matter how big or how small they are, respect them.
Alright. So what we're gonna do next is drop them. How does it smell, Dean?
It smells delightful. I can't wait to get one of these.
Can you smell that
in my
piri?
mouth. I can smell it. Goddamn.
Just feels like my home country right there.
I'm going to Portugal.
To finish up with the oats, pre-weight the oats, really fine oats, just sprinkle this.
Magic powder.
Alright, now we just put this baby in the oven.
Into the oven.
See you guys in like roughly 10 to 15 minutes. I did it again. Oh man.
I don't even want to film this because I just want to dig in.
Look at this. Chicken, spinach, and cheese. This meal right here is perfect for all you folks that dislike veggies, like myself. I really hate spinach, I really hate broccoli, I really hate like almost everything that's
green.
Except salad.
I ain't no goat.
Like
I ain't
this?
no goat. I'll take your chicken too. Hey.
It's good stuff. Do you see? You taste the piri?
Man, I feel like I'm going to Peri already.
God damn.
It's like it's one way
The
ticket.
macros will be in the description down below. We will post a photo on Instagram as well with the macros and the chicken, of course. Go try it out. Let us know what you think about this meal if you made it. Give us a thumbs up, a share, a shout out, whatever you guys like, because we will be posting more awesome meals. Low fat, super low carb,
high
protein.